In today's video, I'm going to teach you why you can't find someone's IP address on Discord and what to do instead. If you came here hoping to grab an IP from a Discord user, here's the honest truth. Discord is designed specifically to prevent that. Your connection is made to Discord servers, not directly to other users, and voice calls are relayed through Discord's infrastructure. That means other users don't see your IP and you don't see theirs. Any site or tool claiming it can reveal a Discord user's IP just from a username or ID is misleading at best and dangerous at worst. Let's set expectations clearly. Attempting to obtain someone's IP without consent is a privacy violation and may break platform rules or local laws. Those so-called IP resolvers often ask for personal data, trick you into installing malware, or harvest information from your device. Avoid them entirely. Now, if you're dealing with harassment, spam, or a safety issue and you were hoping an IP would help, there are trusted, effective steps you can take that actually work. Start by gathering the right evidence. In Discord, open user settings, go to Advanced and enable Developer Mode. This allows you to copy unique identifiers Discord's trust and safety team can use. Right-click the user to copy their user ID and right-click any problematic message to copy the message link. Take screenshots for your records too. This is the kind of information moderators and Discord staff can act on quickly. Next, report the behavior. You can contact the server's moderation team or submit a report through Discord's official trust and safety form. Include the user ID, message links, timestamps, and a clear description of what's happening. While you're at it, block the user so they can't DM you, and consider leaving servers where the behavior is occurring if moderators aren't responsive. Protecting your own privacy is just as important. Review your privacy and safety settings in Discord. Disable direct messages from server members you don't know, tighten your friend request options, and think twice before clicking links or downloading files. If you want added peace of mind for your own connection, a reputable VPN can help mask your IP when you browse the web more broadly. If you run a server, strengthen your defenses by raising verification levels, enabling AutoMod, and requiring two-factor authentication for moderators. These measures stop a lot of trouble before it starts. To wrap up, you can't and shouldn't try to find someone's IP on Discord. Use the built-in tools to report issues, protect your account, and let the platform handle enforcement safely and legitimately.